Okay, madam.
Open the gate.
Are you going out?
Excuse you? What sort of question is that? I just said open the gate.
Madam, I'm sorry. I don't think that will be possible.
You don't think what will be possible? I don't get.
Madam, you know the rules.
What rules are you talking about? I don't have this time, okay? Open the gate. I want to leave.
Madam, please. Call Chief to give us permission to open the gate for you.
What sort of embarrassment is this? I will have to call my husband before I leave? I mean, who does that? Please open this gate before I fall out with you. Now!
Madam, we are not here by mistake. I think we are here for a purpose. Please call Chief.
I will have to call my husband before I leave? Like, really?
Bullet is not for him, neither for his boys. No better than for my way, put an in love. Otagu dene, holy gum for. Ashina Rayasi, Abala Maka Chinchin. Atakata, do I walk and see that mother. Ashina Rayasi, Abala Maka Chinchin. Atakata, do I walk and see that mother.
My children. My children.
Once your father calls you like this, the man is strong.
I know I am not a wealthy man, but I will try everything possible to ensure that I see both of you through the university. So,
amen. Amen.
Thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Baba.
So now tell us, what would you want to be in the future?
You know why I'm laughing?
No.
Papa, I didn't even ask us this question when we were small. It's not that we've grown that you're asking us what would you want to do when you grow up.
But we asked you when you were young. If I remember correctly, you said you wanted to be a fisherman.
Mama, no.
On your house.
To be a fisherman.
Yes.
I remember I said I want to be a terrorist so I can fight for my family. Anyway, I would like to be a lawyer. Yes, so I can fight for justice.
Lawyer. That's a very fine word.
Yes.
So in the future, I'll be referred to as Papa Lawyer.
Hey, Mama, Papa. Me, I would love to be a nurse.
I've
been in this house. So I'll be taking care of the sick people, Mama.
That's a good one. But remember, you both need to study hard to be able to achieve what you want.
Your mother is right. Both of you have very wonderful dreams. Your mother and I will try our best to support you to achieve these lofty dreams.
Did you say you and your mother?
Of course.
No, Kwagima, you carry your cross. I'm only supporting.
So have you forgotten the saying that behind every successful man there is a woman?
Until we see the success.
Anyway, Papa, Mama, we promise to work hard and make both of you proud.
Terrorists.
No,
Yes, Papa, we won't disappoint.
By the way, nurse,
Mama,
I'm having a headache. What should I take?
That's a mediocre.
Tetracycline.
Which kind?
For headache.
Mama,
Ekene,
Papa.
you know I love you so much. You know?
Yes, Papa.
Good. You know that our land at Teziama Junction? I refuse to sell that land because of you.
Papa, I don't understand.
I know you have great potentials. And one day you are going to be a big man. You'll be worthy. And as a worthy person, you would want to build a house that is befitting of your kind of person. So that is why I reserve that land. So anytime you are ready to build, go there and build your house. Okay? It's yours.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you so much. This is a good one.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You see, I have had a lot of offers in the past to sell that land.
Okay.
But I refused. Because my father warned me never to sell that land. Because it's our family inheritance. Okay. So in the same vein, I don't want you to sell it. You go?
I've heard, Papa.
Good.
Papa, all the dreams and all the plans could not be realized after your death. Papa, I sold the land at Ezama Junction to take care of Mama at the hospital. But I ended up losing her and my sister Ogechi. I don't know who is after our family. But I promise you that whosoever that is after our family will bear the consequences and must surely pay for it.
What has happened has happened. All you need now is to stand up like a man and search for the solutions to all your problems.
Nayo, how do I start searching for the solution?
Ekene, there is a place I could take you to. I believe that place has all the solutions to every of the questions that have been bothering you. Remember your saying, Ututu buegwenwa. Remember they say a stitch in time saves 9.
I am ready to go to the place with you tomorrow.
Now you're talking. So, can we go back inside?
Choma, no, so be fast now, so you do my.
Won't come to my salon.
Jealous.
He's here, I'll be doing
Salon.
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 Market square. That's why you are costing me.
Salon is a village salon.
Yeah, and at least I have it.
Okay, please come. Where have you been? We've been looking for you. Okay.
Stop looking for me, my friends. I have moved on.
Moved on to where? Every time you be speaking big English, move on to where? Come, let me give you the latest gist. We have the latest gist that is happening in this community now. A lot have happened since you left. Oh. Let me give you the latest gist. Mom, the nigga said where the sips come. I'll gist you, my friend.
Okay. My very good friend. Please don't leave me. Have you forgotten the good dreams, ambitions we shared together? What are you talking about? Moved on to where?
The both of you. Please.
Take care of my brother for me. The journey I'm embarking on is far.
Which journey?
To where?
Goodbye, my friends.
Good. Can you hear me?
Okay. Back. Okay.
Oh.
Oh my God. What a dream. Hey. It mean that Ogi wants me to take care of our brother Ekene? I know what to do.
Why do you have to come here?
I have to come and see you.
I saw you this morning and I greeted you.
I know. But I want to come and tell you and show you how much you mean to me.
Dikeh, what do you feel about me?
Jane, I really love you. And I will be glad to spend the rest of my life with you, please.
What is the meaning of this? Eh?
I sincerely love you. And I will be glad if you say yes to me, please.
Okay, just go. I'll think about it and I'll let you know. Just go before my madam comes out.
Can I get a hug, please?
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. I brought you some food. I hope you will like it.
That's thoughtful of you. But how come the food?
Not to worry. I told my mom I needed to give you some food. And do not forget, she's aware that I am your late sister's best friend. We were good friends.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. One more thing, Brother Kenny. I understand how it feels to be lonely. If there's anything you want me to do for you, if there's anything you want me to help you with, do not hesitate to call me. I will do it for you anytime, any day.
It's okay. No problem. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I have to leave now.
It's okay.
Take care of yourself.
Bye. Take care. Thank you for the food.
You're welcome.
My uncle, my uncle, get me far. Let me far. No, manifest. I'm waiting for you, I'm waiting for you, I'm waiting for you, I'm waiting for you.
I don't understand this. I honestly do not understand what is going on. When have I turned to a slave in this house? When?
Slave? How?
What do you mean how? I wanted to go out. Those touts that you kept outside refused me leaving this house. They said I must have to confirm from you before I leave my husband's house. I mean, why? When did that one start?
Is that why you are upset?
Is it not enough for me to be upset? Is it not? Oh, so it's not enough for me to be upset about? Is it not? I am upset, really upset.
Boys were acting under instructions which I gave them in order to protect you.
Protect me from what exactly? Protect me from who? What's the protection are they giving to me?
You're the wife of a wealthy man. Moreover, the days are evil, and so you need protection.
I am a wife of a wealthy man. And because of that, I do not have my life to live. I cannot live freely like every other one out there. Wait, honey, can you hear yourself speak? I'm not comfortable with that. I am not. I'm not. You have to talk to those boys. You have to really talk to them.
Come on. This is not a big deal, okay? This is something we can sit down and talk about.
You have to talk to them. Talk to them.
It's a small thing. Come on, Annie. Let's go inside.
You just have to talk to those boys.
It's me.
You really embarrassed me.
Yeah. That's my girl. That's my girl. Woman's cap. This hat. Beautiful hat. It's loaded with money.
I can't continue like this. No. I just have to talk about this if I lose my sanity. Babe. Baby. Please get up. Get up, I need to talk to you.
Are you awake already?
I need to talk to you, please. I need to tell you something. It's very important to me, please. Just get up and hear me out.
I can't wait.
You can't wait. It's really important to me. I can't hold it anymore. I need to talk. I need to.
Anything sense at night. Okay, so what is it? What is it?
I want to know why you always use contraceptives each time we make love. Why do you always do that? Don't you want to be a father? Do you not want me to be a mother? You don't want me to carry my own children? I want to be a mother. I want to. What is going on?
Honey, we have children.
When will we have children? When?
When I have made money. When I have made investment. Okay? I mean, money. I don't want you and the children to suffer.
Can you hear yourself at all? Honey, can you hear yourself speak? When you have made money, what other money are you talking about? We have enough already.
No, we don't. We don't have enough money. Money. We don't have enough money. We need to make wealth. We need to be wealthy. That's what it is. Okay?
I don't understand what you're talking.
Just leave it. Look, let's go back.
Please, just leave me alone. If you want me to be happy, then do the right thing. I want to be a mother. If you do not want to be a father, then that's your own. I want to carry my own children. I want to. What's all this?
Well, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine.
Welcome.
Well, I came around to see if there's anything I could help you with. Since you're washing your clothes, let me help you.
It's okay. As you can see, I can wash them.
I know, but for now, let me help you.
I can actually wash them. Okay?
Ekene, I love how I wash it. I don't think there's anything wrong with not helping you to wash it. Mind you, it's only girls with proper upbringing that will do this. So let her do it.
Can you hear that?
So what are you trying to say now? I should give up?
Yes.
Okay. You win. You win. It's okay.
No, yeah.
Thank you.
My friend. Alpha now. I don't understand. Where are you going to?
Chioma. Chioma. What is your business? What is your business where I'm going to?
My business?
Yes, what is your business?
My business. Anyways, my business is that this road, only this road leads to Ekene's house.
If it leads to Ekene's house, what is it? If this road leads to Ekene's house, what is your business?
That means it's true. It is true. Yes. I just saw Ginika washing and spreading Ekene's clothes. And then you're going there now. Maybe Iruzeba Anua. You cook. Ineze Yanono. Darling, come and eat. Then when you're done, you want to say bed here.
Chioma.
Afam.
Chioma.
My name.
Chioma. If I handle you in this village, Chioma, Igachagodi red, Ichacha red, Gachawa brown and blue. Chioma, you are trying me. You are trying me. Chioma, I am respecting friendship. If not, if I deal with you in this village, Chioma, if you see me and hear anything that concerns mass in this village, that also.
Anyways, let me tell you something. Better know that men are not easily convinced by all this pretentious cheap labor and Ginika is doing.
Yes, sir.
Advisor. I cannot say a word.
Advisor. Let him run. Let him run. I will not mind myself.
I'm leaving. I'll go. He's not coming again. Leave him. Why? Don't I roll ahead? What's wrong with you? Come on. What's wrong with you?
Oh, no, can it? Wait a minute! Kai! Come, remove your footwear. This is the sacred shrine of Anyansi.
Thank you, great one. I brought my friend here to he seeks for solutions concerning the issues bothering him, great one.
Ekene, son of Amadi.
You're right, great one.
Hurry. This is everything.
Your heart is heavy.
Great one. You know my name and you know the state of my mind too.
I see the great eye of the gods. Ofonya na su na bela. My son, I can see everything that bothers you. Nothing is hidden from these eyes.
Great one, please help me, tell me, who is after my family?
Yoko Onyeka. He is responsible for the death of your sister, Ogechi. As for the death of your mother, Ada, I will tell you how she died.
Chief, you're welcome. No.
What about Ekenando Ogechi?
They both went to the farm to harvest the cassava.
Adako, I am here to let you know that there is need for you to advise your son, or inform him that that land, that piece of land around the Ziama, I need it. I can, in place of that land, show him another piece of land. Okay?
Nani, I thought we had settled the issue on that land before their father died. Why bring up this topic now?
Emana avive kalilubi eleoba. There is a business I want to conduct on that piece of land. And in fact, my foreign associates have seen that site and they chose that site for that business. So, if your son gives me that site, I will take him to another place I have land and show him even 2 times that portion. Or he can name his price, any price at all. Or I will pick it up. That land is important.
My son is no longer a boy. He has become a man. He makes his decisions. And if I may advise, there's no point asking him to sell the land, because I know he will not sell that piece of land.
Yeah.
Never see this type of uncle before. I wonder, I was going for the question of the I joy fair. I should see him. What's he gonna matter? I see the way I see. I'm gonna make a change. I take a time to a walk and see that man of the world. I see the way I see. I'm gonna make a change. I take a time to a walk and see that man of the world. He's a wicked man. I'm a run you will swap way and I fear. I see no killing, can't kill your daughter. Bullet is not for him, neither for his boys. No better enough for my wife, put an in love. But I go then, holy gum enough for. I see the way I see. I'm gonna make a chin. I take a time to a walk and see that man of the world. I
That was how he afflicted her with kidney disease.
Hey! Now I understand.
So my uncle Onyeka was responsible for my father's death too? Because of that land?
Yes.
Okay, great one, thank you. Thank you so much.
So, great one, please. What are we supposed to do so that we can confront him?
I will tell you what you will do when you are ready to confront him.
Great one, I can handle him. Okay? Thank you.
Hey! You have to be prepared before you confront him.
I can handle him. Come on, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Thank you, great one.
Thank you, great one.
Thank you.
Talking to you. What? Listen.
If you confront Chief Onyeka like this, you ruin everything.
So what do you want me to do? To pretend as if nothing happened?
Of course, no. Why are you talking like that? Look, we need to plan, okay? We need to plan and strategize on how best to approach him.
Do you know why you're talking all these things? Because you're not the one directly involved in this. If you are the one, you know how it hurts.
Come on, why are you saying that to me? Ekene, you know very well that I understand exactly how you're feeling. All I am saying is that we need to plan, okay? In order for us not to make mistakes. I wouldn't want us to make mistakes.
So what am I supposed to do now?
You need to go home. Go home. Okay, I believe by tomorrow you come up with a better plan. Okay, you come up with a fantastic idea on how to face him. I don't want us to make mistakes.
I wasn't expecting you in my house this morning. Don't you have any house chores to do or any errand to run for your parents?
I'm sorry if I'm bothering with my visits. Actually, I came to give you the money I found from one of your trousers I washed yesterday.
I brought you breakfast.
Oh, thank you. Just keep it here.
Is there anything the matter? Aren't you happy I brought you food? Or did Ginika say anything to upset you?
No, I am just fine. I just need to be left alone.
You're sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
I'll take my leave.
People are wicked. Them man in danger. Vaputani rugi. Fana musagamo. Vaputana zogi. Vapura wensu yeregi. Ndoro baramadu. Nekwa febenine. Chupu chupu rumufa. Ekwana kandiacha.
Ginika, I want you to say the truth and nothing but the truth.
I don't understand. You look worried. What is it?
Did you do or say anything to Ekene that got him upset? Because I have never seen Ekene in that mood before.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
You don't understand what I'm talking about. Listen, and listen real good, girlfriend. I am not joking. I am not in the mood to joke with you. So you better start talking what you did or said to Ekene.
I didn't do anything or say anything to Ekene. What is it? Eh? Did he accuse me of something? If there's anything you say I did to him, you say it. You know, never now. I call you. Or get yourself. You like troubles too much.
Babe, your body could evolve. Calm down. This is coming. What is going on? Don't worry. It's coming, okay?
Hey, girl.
Yes. Sheep.
What's happening?
Sheep.
Welcome. What's up? Oh, yeah.
You kept us waiting, Chief.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah, and you thought you're not coming again.
Hey, girls. Mind your language. But I'm here. I don't fail on my appointment.
We
Don't
trust
fail on my promise, okay?
We trust you.
Come on, what's going on here? You girls ought to have asked for whatever you needed. Huh?
Yeah, we know. But you're the only person we need right now. Just you and you alone. Yes, you alone.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm here.
Yeah, of course.
What next?
We take you. And we eat you. We take you inside.
Come on, girls, what are you waiting for? Let's go.
Alright. Yeah. Sheep.
Hey! Choma.
Ginika!
Choma.
Oshebe. Ojemba. Isiebe.
Can you judge one events?
I know your friend again.
We are friends.
Ginika. Oh, hell, say come gwagi. Madam, Mama, this your continuous visit to Ekene's house is becoming suspicious. I want to advise you. Do you understand,
Chioma? What good advice could come from this your mouth? Chioma nke mma nwa juleju. Kon wala onye ozo wen boss ifo.
See,
madam, advice.
I, Chioma, I'm not a local champion like some of you in this village.
Hey, Diane, no.
Okay, enough for ya now. Nwa juleju. Enough here. If I want to advise you, you take it.
You go. Hey, na ata amushi aboki. Imagine. Please, Chioma, I am not ready to listen to your boastings after confronting Mercy, okay? Please. I just need to go home now and rest.
See,
that's all I need.
Ekene is going to get you and Mercy pregnant. And he will not marry any of you. Yes, because he hand down he will not marry you people. What is enough for the wife?
Wait,
after all, you're not wife. I cannot even tell you that.
Let me ask you. Please let me. Please. I've told you I am not ready for your trouble. You know you are too troublesome. I just want to go home and rest. That's all.
I've told you.
If I am pregnant, it's not your business. Leave me. After all, pio ndinki na eje na azu no na alagali.
So fu kam na eme akam gemma ina ado. I'm telling you now, you are shaking your waist, you are going. Agwakwange. Ekene you save. Ekene.
Annie, are they not coming again?
Huh? He will come. Don't worry. I know Badu, he will come.
If he doesn't want to come, tell me. Let me go and do this thing myself. I can do it.
Take it easy, Ekene. I said he will come.
Okay.
I told you. I'm my dad. Pardon! These guys, I'm so sorry to have kept you guys waiting. I know you are angry.
So, Badu, since you're here, do you mind joining us with our brand or you care for something else?
No, don't worry. Let's get down to business.
Okay, Kene? He's Badu, the one we've been waiting for.
Anayo, only this guy cannot handle such difficult task. He cannot.
Don't worry about that. I have a guy that works for me. Just show me the assignment you have for us. Leave the rest for me.
Give him the details.
Okay. That's enough. He's a chief. And he goes around with 2 bodyguards. I want him dead.
No problem. Send to my phone.
You have a Zenda on your phone, right?
Yeah.
Okay, put you on your Zenda. You want it?
Yes.
It's done. I sent it to Zenda in your phone now.
Yeah, I've seen it. I've seen it. But you give us 900,000 naira for this deal.
500,000 naira?
Yeah.
Okay. Anayo, do you trust him?
Very well. He's a professional when it comes to jobs like this. I trust him.
Give me your account details. Hold on.
Okay. 21 79 64 35 Jenny Bank.
Bado Ohehe. Is that your name?
Yes. I just got the alert. With you, bro. Don't worry. I can never disappoint you. Thank you. I'm leaving.
I can see that Ginika is trying to be smart. She wants to use this opportunity to steal Ekene's heart. I am not going to let that happen. Ekene will be mine and not hers.
Madam, what are you thinking about?
Nothing, Mama. I am fine.
What's nothing? Nothing. You are here, lost in your thought. Nothing. I can see you don't want to talk. But you know what? Very soon, whatever it is will be reviewed. Ngwa, go back to your nothing. Go back. Nothing.
Yes.
Chief.
Oh, yeah. Quite some session.
He killed me. Oh my God.
Don't worry. There will be another day. Another time, we'll do it, eh? Yes. For now, I have to run along, okay? Yeah. Yeah,
Sheep.
Yeah. Alright, girls, I'm set to... Yeah. Well, it was really some time, okay? I'm sure you guys are happy. Good. Now I just need to drop something for your transport back home. Yeah, just warm up.
Sheep.
Oh my God. Thank you. Alright, girls.
Oh, Father, thank you. Sheep is loaded.
This money, oh my God, I enjoy spending this.
Bado, don't show now. I say leave. Welcome. Bado, how you take one town? As area no level like this, we go yawara. I swear.
I believe you. I hope you guys are ready. Boss. By the way they are like this now. Whatever door you never fall your hands before. Now men they now we they others they outside they know.
I swear.
But you all know I don't want mistakes.
Nah, look when you find you. Bado, have we ever disappointed you before?
No.
So chill. Nothing is going to happen. I promise you, our mission is going to be successful. It's a promise.
I believe you. But more go make arrange the calendar, more deliver, more they go.
See the be now.
I'm going to miss you so much.
I'll miss you too. But you see, it's going to be 3 days. Okay?
Please take care of yourself.
Yeah.
I'll walk you to the car.
Boys. So, Dikeh, boys, you have the house. People.
He's a wicked man. Amaronya will swap where na fear. Osinon killing, can't kill your dodo.
Very delicious.
Hey, yeah. Wow. is much.
On the contrary, I give you the little I have. If you can't finish it, warm and eat it later. You know, go.
Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. Thank you. Thank you, Ginika, please come. I am so sorry for the way I spoke to you the other day. I wasn't in a good mood. Okay, I'm sorry about that.
I understand.
Thank you.
Alright. Bye-bye.
What is she doing here again? What is she doing here?
She brought me some food though.
I only brought you good food.
Oh, yeah, that's very good of you. But the one she brought is enough. I might not be able to finish it. So there won't be any need for this. Oh, I would have collected it.
Ekene, are you saying I should go back with this food after all the energy I put into to make this food for you?
You know, if you keep it here, it will spoil. Oh, just go back with it so it won't spoil. This one is even too much. I can't finish it. Oh. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
What's the meaning of this? Tell Chief to step out of the car. Mr. Man, who are you? And what do you want? Chief! Step out of the car or me and my boss will spread this car with our bullets right now.
Bullet is not for him, neither for his boys. No wonder no footman will put an ilo. Otagu dene, only go in a fall. Ashine weyesi. Amala maka chinchin, atakata kwa wakesi na nado kuwa. Ashile weyesi, amala maka chinchin, atakata kwa wakesi na nado kuwa.
Who sent you? Nalekweni Ifanyo, the Oki soldier. Don't even have manners. Eh? How dare you ask us such questions? Are you sir? Boss, I will permit me to scatter this man job.
Bullet is not for him, neither for his boys.
Aye, okilikili kana buku ose. Ada ni ose no. Ikilikili kana ekili ododo. Ejiro odode ni ozu. Ah, you think your bullets will catch me? You think your bullets will penetrate me? Bullets are not for me. Not for me, not for my boy. Boss. Yes, the bullet they repay for this man body in the Dodger Maggie. Oh, the chest down. Boss, now get this man alive now. Get him alive.
He's a wicked man. I'm on you, will swap
Please.
Who sent you?
Who sent you?
Who sent you?
Who? Sorry, Chief. It was Ekene and Anna that sent us. Please don't kill us. Please don't kill us. Please. Nkili kane kilo dodo.
Itiro dode ni oso.
Okili kane abu kwesa adali enu.
You think your bullets will harm me?
You think your bullets will penetrate me? Not possible, not for me, not for my boy.
Now get up.
Go back to that boy. Tell him what you saw. Bullets are not for me. Now move! Move! Thank you. Imagine boys coming after me. Ogene!
Let's move.
Come on.
Bullet is not for him, neither for his boys. Now when the Nafuma will put an
What have you done to Ekene? What did you do to Ekene that made him reject my food? What did you do?
Osipano Ogene, every time you and Ekene, I don't understand what you're talking about.
You don't understand what I'm talking about. Are you trying to deny? If you do not give me an answer, you will not step an inch out of this place. Kwaka, bet me.
Hey, Mercy, let me tell you, I am not ready for your trouble. But if you want trouble, I will give it to you here and now. Now, get out of my way.
Hey! Get out of your way. See, let me tell you something. Get out of my way now. As your daughter. Hey. Yeah, Ginika, you better start talking now. Get out.
I'll kill you today. I'll kill you.
You want to fight me?
Wait. Why are you fighting now? Calm down. Why are you fighting?
Chioma, you know that I do not look for trouble. This stupid girl took my man. She took my man by casting a spell through her food for him.
Mercy, are you insinuating that I casted a spell on
Yes,
you?
Yes, you did. And I will...
Wait. So you people made that Jesus. Hey! Look what Adam.
I will kill this girl.
So you mean you people are here fighting because of Ekene? Because of Ekene? Go. Come around here. If Eteba, Ekoya, give me Eteba. Ndala.
When are you going to give me grandchildren? Or doesn't it bother you that we've not heard the cry of a child in this house?
Mama, honestly, I am even more worried than you are. My husband and I have been to so many hospitals. Doctors always certified us to be alright. And I know that in no distant time, and with God too, we'll have our own children soon. Yes.
I just hope you are telling me the truth. Vera, when we get you, I am your mother. Anyway, I am not going to accept anything from you again until I hear the cry of a child. I need grandchildren.
Mama, just what got into that?